What's up everyone, in this video we'll be showing you the top 5 best Block Blast alternatives, so stick around to the end to get all our top picks. The first is Block Puzzle Gem Jewel Blast. For a dazzling twist on the classic block puzzle, check out Block Puzzle Blast Jewel Blast. This game combines the familiar block matching gameplay with stunning visuals and special effects. Here you can match colors or jewels to clear lines and rows and watch as the board explodes with color and excitement. And number 2 on our list is Block Puzzle Color Blast. If you're looking for a block puzzle game with a unique twist, Block Puzzle Color Blast is a perfect choice. This game focuses on color matching, challenging you to strategically place colored blocks to create explosive chains. With its vibrant graphics and exciting gameplay, it's a must-try for any puzzle enthusiast. The third on our list is Block Puzzle. For a no-frills classic block puzzle experience, Block Puzzle by Candy Mobile is a timeless choice. This game features the traditional gameplay of arranging tetraminos blocks to clear lines and avoid filling up the board. Its simple yet addictive mechanics make it a perfect game for casual and hardcore puzzle fans alike. And number 4 is the Block Puzzle Wood Blast. Block Puzzle Wood Blast by Wood Puzzle Sudoku Games offers a unique take on the block puzzle genre. Instead of colorful blocks, this game uses wooden blocks to create a calming and visually distinctive experience. The gameplay remains the same, but the wooden aesthetic adds a touch of rustic charm. And lastly, number 5, the classic Candy Crush Saga. This classic popular puzzle game challenges you to match candies to clear levels and progress through a colorful world. With its addictive gameplay and charming characters, Candy Crush Saga is a beloved game for millions of players worldwide. So there you have it, the top 5 best Block Blast alternatives. Let us know if you found your pick, and thanks for watching.